Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we'll be discussing about nested ordered HTML lists. So lists can be nested. We have discussed about lists earlier in our previous tutorial in our unordered list, but right now we are using the ordered nested list. So this can be nested list inside list. That's what we mean by nested ordered list. So list inside list, like we are seeing opening and closing ordered list tag. Inside there, inside this li tag there, we open another ol tag again. As you can see, this is the closing tag of this li tag. So inside there we are having what we are having. So quickly, let me demonstrate how this looks quickly. Back to our document. This is what we have in our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, check our playlist on HTML or that list, and you can have it inside. You can have everything inside our HTML lists. So quickly, let's create ordered list. After inside the ordered list, what do we want here? We need another element inside element. So let me use the one we are having in our previous tutorial. So this is what we are having here right now. Let's say inside, let's reduce this one. Let's save our document first. Let's clear this one, remove it, and save our document. Let's reload our document. We are having copy make t, right? So inside here we want to do what? We want to put another list inside it. So we can jump inside this make. We can write ol tag along with what? The li. Maybe we need 2, 8 times 2. We need 2 elements there. We need rice. We need mango. So you are going to see another list inside it. Can you see rice, mango? As you can see, as we have put these stuffs here now, you can if you notice very well, these stuffs here, they are inside what? They are inside our make element here. As you can see, the list of the make element is the opening and closing make element is here. Opening and closing, the closing tag, the opening tag, but we having link make text. After the make text, we open it again, we open another web tag again. And also we can do it in another way around again. You can do like this also. Let's firstly save this so you can see what I'm talking about. Reload our document. Can you see we are seeing the same thing? But right now we can do can do it in another way by cutting this out and come here. When you come here, you can place it under our make completely. So when we have, you can see after our li make tag, then we can have ol tag, we can have t again. Let's reload our document. We are seeing the same thing. So let's now say, for instance, now we don't want it here, we want it over the on top the make list. So let's see what we have. Can you see? We see it on top the make list, and we can change the counting. We can give it anything. We have discussed about this in our previous tutorial. You can start this counting from, maybe if you want, you can start from 5, and this starts from another place. So you are going to see what will happen. Can you see? 1 2 3 5 6. You can start from 4 if you like. So it just depends on what you want to do. You understand? So you can have it inside another one, inside another one, inside another one. So it depends on whatsoever you want to do. We can style it more better in our advanced tutorial. We are still going to use all these things you are seeing here. So I'm just showing you these source, because these are the things that will get us to the top. We are coming from the beginners to the advanced level of these HTML elements. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I think I'm done right today, but let me show you something. Note, a list item li can contain a new list and other HTML elements like images and links and so on. So like this one now, we have discussed about this also in our previous tutorial, that like, let's say for instance now we are having copy here. You can add image there. You can use this. Instead of this copy you are having, you can have image. When we have image, we can have, well, let's say we have avatar. Let's say, well, let's put avatar. Let's reduce the size of the avatar, the width. Let's say we give it 25 pixel. Let's reload our document to see what will happen. As you can see, we are having this avatar. You can display none here. You can have, you can remove the list there. You can remove the list there. Let's say list list type. We can use CSS. Yes, style. When we use the style, we can use list style type. You can give it none. When you give it none, you are going to see the list will not be here. Can you see the number disappeared, and you can have the image there. You can make the image also self. You can make it clickable if you want, depending on what you want to do. So that's just what I want to show you guys. And if you want to make the link clickable, you are going to remove this and create one anchor tag inside this place. Let's say for instance we have our anchor tag here, and we have wow.html. We're having this file in our folder, and we are saying home, right? Let's say we call this home. Let's reload our document. Then you see we are having this. When you click it, it will take you to how it works. Let's get back to our document. Let's now say we want to use an image instead of this thing here, this home here. Let's put our image elements inside here. When we put our image there, it's going to display an image instead of the wow. As you can see, when you click it, take us to. So whatever, you can use this for anything you want to use it for. So that's what I'm trying to show you guys there. I've discussed about it in our previous video. You can check our list playlist, HTML list playlist, and ordered list, and we have unordered list. So chapter summary, we have used the HTML and the OL to define ordered list, type attribute to define the numbering type, li tag to define the list item. List can be nested, so list items can contain other HTML elements. And don't forget, so what we have used so far, we have used the ul tag to define another list, we have used ol to define ordered list, li to define the list, dl to define the description list, dt to describe the terms in description list. We have used dd to the term to describe the description in the list. So we have used all this so far. You can check our previous tutorial. If you don't know how we got here, we have come a long way. So I want you guys to understand this. Check our previous tutorial and check our playlist to understand what's going on. Once again, I'm going right here, and while akorede is my name. Have a great day. Ayofe is going. Bye bye.